Dallas homeowners love making the most of their outdoor spaces. With long warm seasons, backyard patios, pools, and outdoor kitchens are often extensions of everyday living. One of the most effective ways to strengthen that connection between inside and outside is by upgrading to new patio doors. Modern patio doors are designed to enhance comfort, accessibility, and style, transforming how Dallas residents experience their homes. Here's how new patio doors can dramatically improve indoor-outdoor living in Dallas residences. Seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. Older patio doors often feel bulky, hard to open, or visually disconnected from the rest of the home. New patio door designs focus on smooth transitions that blur the line between indoors and outdoors. Modern patio doors offer slim frames that maximize glass area, wider openings for easy movement, clean lines that match modern interiors. This creates a natural flow from living rooms, kitchens, or dining areas to patios and backyards, perfect for entertaining and everyday living. Expansive glass brings the outdoors in. One of the biggest advantages of new patio doors is the large glass panels they feature. These panels provide unobstructed views of outdoor spaces while flooding interiors with natural light. Dallas homeowners enjoy brighter, more open living spaces, clear views of patios, pools, and landscaping, a stronger visual connection to the outdoors. Even when doors are closed during extreme heat, the outdoor experience remains part of the indoor atmosphere. Improved ventilation for comfortable living. Dallas weather often allows homeowners to enjoy fresh air during spring and fall. New patio doors are designed to provide better ventilation without sacrificing security or comfort. Benefits include smooth sliding or folding operation, adjustable openings for controlled airflow, reduced indoor stuffiness. Better ventilation supports indoor air quality and reduces reliance on air conditioning during mild weather. Energy efficiency keeps comfort indoors. Dallas summers can be intense, making energy efficiency essential. Modern patio doors are engineered to manage heat while maintaining comfort. Energy-efficient features include double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings to reflect solar heat, tight weather stripping to prevent air leaks. These features allow homeowners to enjoy large glass doors without increased energy bills, keeping cool air inside where it belongs. Easy operation enhances everyday convenience. Struggling with sticky or outdated patio doors can discourage homeowners from using them regularly. New patio doors are designed for effortless operation. Homeowners benefit from smooth gliding tracks and rollers, lightweight yet durable materials, reliable locking systems. Easy operation encourages more frequent use, making outdoor spaces a natural extension of the home. Stylish designs that match Dallas architecture, from contemporary townhomes to traditional family residences. Dallas homes come in many styles. Modern patio doors are available in designs that complement a wide range of architecture. Popular options include sliding glass doors for clean, modern aesthetics, French-style patio doors for classic elegance, multi-panel or folding doors for expansive openings. These styles enhance curb appeal and interior design simultaneously. Increased entertaining potential. New patio doors make hosting gatherings easier and more enjoyable. Guests can move freely between indoor and outdoor spaces, creating a more social and flexible environment. This is especially valuable for family gatherings, weekend barbecues, holiday celebrations. A seamless indoor-outdoor connection elevates how homes function during social events. Professional installation maximizes performance. To fully enjoy the benefits of new patio doors, professional installation is essential. Expert installers ensure proper alignment and sealing, smooth operation, energy-efficient performance. Correct installation protects your investment and ensures long-term comfort. A lifestyle upgrade for Dallas homes. New patio doors do more than replace an old feature. They redefine how Dallas homeowners use and enjoy their living spaces. By improving light, airflow, accessibility, and energy efficiency, modern patio doors create a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. For Dallas residents looking to elevate comfort, style, and everyday enjoyment, upgrading to new patio doors is a smart investment that enhances both lifestyle and home value.